Hey, my beautiful Tea Party squad, welcome back to another video. So in this video today, I'm going to be flipping through not one, but two of the new Squad Goals sticker books. Say what? Yes, giving you a 2-for-1 deal. And I got these beauties in my hand and I cannot wait to show it off, okay? So I wanted to give a huge thank you to MARQUITA WILSON for picking up the mini Squad Gold sticker book, and it has 678 pieces in there. And she also got me the classic Squad Gold sticker book that has 1,015 pieces, and she found this at her local JoAnn's, and she hit your girl up because she was like, girl, I got it. They have it in my store. Do you want them? Yes, girl, send it to me. I could not wait to get these in my hand to flip through these so I can start using these beautiful stickers in here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on in because I'm super excited. Okay, so the first page, of course, we're going to get some cute little squad goals, and the little accents and the little hints of the gold foil are super cute. But this page right here, y'all, is so cute. This is one of the reasons why I wanted the sticker books. I actually wanted the classic, but MARQUITA went ahead and got me the mini, which I was so thankful for. And I love these squad goals. And oh my gosh, you guys, the dolls in here are super cute. And these are clear stickers with the dolls in there, of course. And then these stickers, or this page here is paperback. Love the colorful boxes. Love the little quotes here, like the washi strip quotes. Love those as well. Oh, this is my happy place. That is really cute. That will go great in my horizontal planner that I use for my social media. Super cute. And I'm going to try to flip this 2 times or at the same time for you. It's kind of hard to flip 2 pages with both hands. It's just hard. Okay, but okay, wait a minute. Okay, so my mini is on my left hand side. But do y'all notice how the mini stickers are bigger and then the stickers here in the classic are smaller? I just noticed that. Just want to just point that out. But that is really different, I guess, because I would suspect the minis would have smaller stickers in there. But love those. I love the squad goals with her gold foil earrings. Super cute. Oh, yes. Yes, so cute. I love these little squad goals. Business girls, they're all about their business. I love it. And these are clear stickers as well, if you were just wondering. Yes. So this one page is almost the same, but they are smaller stickers in the mini, of course. But they do have some resemblance of some of these pages. Oh my gosh, you just don't know, y'all. I am floating on cloud 9 right now. Okay, so this one says make today amazing. We get some more of these little, I call them like little washi strips, stickers, because you can kind of put them on the edge of your planners to kind of for little decorations and stuff. Just so cute. Oh my goodness, there's too much goodness in here. Love these colorful boxes. So cute. That one says do what you love. Oh yeah, and then we get some of these little flag stickers that says to do, don't forget, today. And then you get some checklist boxes over there on the classic. All right, so these are the same pages too. One thing that I do notice with the mini that's here on our left-hand side, the stickers are different. They look the same, but they are different. Like, you know, the colors are a little darker. The classic has lighter colors. And then the mini has like bright, darker colors, if you can see by the teacups and the planners. It's a little different, but I do like that added touch. So super cute. Now I'm loving these because I get like a mixture of like the squad goals and then like the squad goals fitness. So this is really good too, because I'm really trying to get back into my fitness. So these little icons and these little stickers, which are also clear stickers right here, it's just giving me that motivation to go ahead and, you know, work on my fitness. But I am loving these, and you get some little squad goals with the rainbows, of course, to match the outfit if you have not checked that out. But yes, I have noticed that. And then we get some more of these colorful boxes and quote stickers. Keep in mind, the mini sticker book is on the left and the classic is on the right hand side. Ooh, do y'all see that foil with that blue? Ooh, that is so cute. I love that color palette too. It's really cute. Then we get some more colorful boxes on both pages here. A lot of these can actually go with a lot of my, the stickers can go with my horizontal planner, which I do love. But you can actually use these stickers with any of these layouts. Even using the mini in any of like the classic size layouts. It's just that the stickers will be a little bit smaller, of course. But I just love how I'm able to kind of pull from both of them because they're a little different, but they're really not the same. So I love that, you know, it's a little different. And then I can kind of, you know, play around with them. Y'all, I'm loving this page on both of these sticker books. Oh my goodness. Giving me all of the festivities on the left-hand side in that mini sticker book. And then giving me all of the planner sessions on the right-hand side in that classic. Ooh, do y'all, first of all, I just want to let y'all know right now, that little squad girl, that's me right there. That's super cute. Oh, she is cute with her little bun at the top. Okay. And then I love this one as well. You get the little scissors and your little planner pages. Oh, that's cute. And colorful boxes. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Then you get some more of these little borders or washi strips is what I call them. I could be wrong. And you can never go wrong with these colorful boxes. Especially, I love that they have the square goals and like those corners of the stickers. Those are really cute too. You get some more checklist boxes on both of those pages. I like that. Ooh, that's cute. All right, so it looks like we have reached the end of this flip through. I hope you guys enjoyed this 2-for-1 deal of the sticker book flip through of the new Squad Gold sticker book in the mini and also in the classic. So thank you again to my subscriber and also my Instagram follower, MARQUITA WILSON. Girl, thank you so much. I am super excited and uberly excited. Like I'm still on cloud 9 that I actually have these, because if you saw my recent video when I was flipping through the Squad Goals accessory book, your girl was really wanting those sticker books, okay? So I was really excited that she was able to find this for me and gracious enough to go ahead and send this for your girl to do a flip through, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this sticker book flip through, don't forget to hit those thumbs up. That lets me know that you enjoy the sticker book flip through as much as MARQUITA does. And if you are new to my tea party, hello and welcome. I hope that you consider subscribing and sticking around at my tea party. Thank you again, MARQUITA. Your girl is loving it. Thanks for watching.